What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com. Today we have a special one. This is the 2017 Cadillac XTS. I'm sorry, the XT5. And this is the V4. This is the eBay mail-in. We're going to go ahead and get into the test on this thing. Let me show you. This is the key fob. Same one I did for the 2017 Cadillac Escalade. So if you have the Escalade or the XT5, let me know. I can do your key. Now this is the Tk900. To me, this is the V4. Now, I mean, it's beautiful. Look at the display. Lock, unlock, trunk, and also the remote start button. It's also got buttons on the side for lock, unlock, trunk, and then the remote start button on this side. So let's go ahead and test it out before we get it mailed out. First things first, let's do the remote start. Let me hold the thing. Hold on. Gotta hold it in one hand. Y'all know how it is. All right, remote start. Click and hold. Perfect. And it's set for about 3 or 4 seconds. And then let's do the lock. Great. Let's do unlock. Perfect. Let's do lock again. Perfect. And let's do remote start. Let's hold remote start. It does it, as you see. Let it go back to 0, and let's do the trunk. That's perfect. Trunk again. That's looking good, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this one mailed out. Lock, or that's unlock. Lock. Remote start. If you click and hold it, there it is. Again, this is LCDSmartKey.com. I do the install. I also overnight these back. Let's do the physical buttons. Lock. Unlock up there at the top. Perfect. Let's do remote start down here at the bottom. Perfect. Let's do trunk. Perfect again. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. This is LCDSmartKey.com. Hit me up with your Cadillac, Escalade, XT5, CTS. I do them all. Thank you. Catch you later.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.